Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1, which currently displays an active order balance. Once on the Register screen, tap the cart icon at the bottom right to open the itemized receipt. Scroll through the cart to view the items automatically organized by each individual guest. To process a payment for a single person, tap the three-dot menu icon directly next to Guest 1. Select Pay. On the payment screen, review the specific total for Guest 1. Under the cash options, tap the Quick Pay button for $24.25. Review the details on the Confirm Cash Payment pop-up and tap Confirm Payment. A transaction success checkmark will briefly appear. Tap the cart icon again to reopen the receipt. Notice that Guest 1's items are now marked with a green checkmark and labeled Paid, and the overall amount balancing is updated. Scroll down to the next person ready to pay and tap the three-dot menu icon next to Guest 3. Select Pay from the pop-up menu. On the payment screen, tap the Quick Pay button for $44.05 under the cash options. Tap Confirm Payment on the confirmation pop-up. Another transaction success message will display, returning the view to the Register screen. Tap the Tables icon at the bottom left of the screen. Notice that Table 1 is now fully paid and cleared, displaying green with a Start Order status.